Are you looking for extra money for your retirement? It could be in the land underneath your house. Quite simply, there are 7 suburbs in Christchurch where the house is worth more than what people think. There are 2 reasons for this. Firstly, there's a land shortage in Christchurch, and secondly, council intensification rules in specific areas. Hi, my name's Rob Collier from We Buy Homes, and we create win-win transactions for people that we buy from. Now just imagine that your house is worth more than what you think. You get a little bit more for it. What would you do with that money? Would you spend that extra money going into a retirement home? Would you buy a new house? Would you spend more money on your grandkids? The choice is entirely yours. It's entirely up to you. To find out to see if your house qualifies, click on the link on the right and answer a couple of simple questions. Let me give you some examples of some people who got a little bit more by selling their house to us. Helen and Steve, they decided to buy a brand new house. Jason and Steph, they decided to upgrade their car. And Alan and Cheryl, they decided to give more money to their grandkids. To see if your house is worth more than you think it's worth, click on the link on the right. This could be the last time you see this video. Make sure you don't miss out. Fill out a couple of simple questions, and we'll see you on the other side.